Today in this lesson we will study how to balance redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. So to do that, first of all we need an ionic equation and this is our ionic equation. In this ionic equation we will identify the elements which are going redox. So right now in our case manganese Mn and iodine I are undergoing reduction and oxidation. Okay, now after identifying that we will move toward the second step. In the second step we will separate this ionic equation into two half reaction. So right now these are two half reaction and these are separated with respect to the elements which were undergoing oxidation reduction. After separating the reaction into two half reaction, now we will check whether the manganese and I are balanced. In this example manganese and I already balance, because you can see there is one manganese on a left hand side, one manganese on a right hand side, similarly one I on a left hand side, one I on a right hand side. So in our case this is balanced. So we will move toward the third step. In the third step we will balance oxygen and hydrogen. So first of all we will balance oxygen by the addition of water molecule. So do that. There are four oxygen on a left hand side. We will going to add 4 water molecule in the first half reaction. Now we will balance the second half reaction. In the second half reaction there are 3 oxygen on left hand side, so we will add 3 water molecule on right hand side. Now our oxygen is balanced, so now we will balance the hydrogen in both half reaction. So to balance the hydrogen in both half reaction we will add H plus ion where the hydrogen is less. In a first half reaction there are 4 multiplied by 2, 8 hydrogen on right hand side. So to balance the hydrogen in the first half reaction we will add 8H plus ion on a left hand side. Now hydrogen in balance in the first half reaction. Now moving toward the second half reaction. In the second half reaction there are 3 multiplied by 2, 6 hydrogen on left hand side. So we will add 6H plus ions on right hand side. Now in both of the half reaction oxygen as well as hydrogen is balanced, or you can say all the elements are balanced. Now we will move toward the fourth step. In the fourth step we will balance the overall charge by the addition of electron. So to balance that thing we need to determine how much charge on the both half reaction on a left hand side as well as on a right hand side. In the first half reaction there is net of plus 7 charge on a left hand side and plus 2 charge on a right hand side. How it is, how plus 7? Let me show you that there are 8H plus, so charge will be 8 plus. Only minus sign is there, so charge will be minus, so net charge will become plus 7. On the right hand side it is written 2 plus, so charge will be 2 plus. No charge on a water molecule, so net charge will be 2 plus. Now you can see on a left hand side there is plus 7 charge, right hand side there is plus 2. Now to balance that thing we will going to add the electron, and where we should add electron? We should add electron where the positive charge is greater. So we will going to add 5 electron on a left hand side. When we add 5 electron on a left hand side, then the net charge will become plus 2 on a left hand side and it will become equal to the right hand side. Now our first half reaction is balanced electrically. Now we will move toward the second half reaction. In the second half reaction, there is no charge on water molecule, but there is -1 charge, so net charge is -1. And on a right hand side, the IO3 has a charge of -1 and 6H plus have a +6 charge, so net charge is +5. The net charge is +5. So now to balance that, we will going to add 6 electron on a right hand side. Why I have added 6 electron on a right hand side? Because right hand side has a greater positive charge. So we always add electron where the positive charge is greater. Now both half reaction are electrically balanced. Now we will move toward the next step. In this step, the number of electron in the first half reaction and in the second half reaction should be balanced, should be equal. So to do that, we will multiply the first equation by 6 and it will become 48H plus ion 30 electron plus 6 MnO4 into 6 Mn2 plus into 24H2O, and we will multiply the second equation by 5. It will become 15H2O plus 5I into 5IO3 plus 30H plus 30 electron. Now number of electron on the both of half reaction are equal. Now we can do the last step of the R balancing, that we will add the both of the reaction to get our overall reaction. When we add the both of the half reactions, then the number of electron on the both of the half reaction will going to cancel, and number of excess H plus ion as well as water molecule also will be subtracted. Here there are 48 H plus ion and 30 H plus ion, so 48 minus 30, around 18 H plus 18 H plus will be left. There are 15 water molecule and 24 H2O, so 24 minus 15, 9 water molecule will left, and the overall reaction will be like that. This is our overall reaction. You can see there are 18 H plus ion and 9 water molecule, and all the other element will be written similarly. Now this is our required balance equation. Thank you.